logical and JavaScript skills. Inside the HTML.js included app.js, we write here, let this day variable with true value, then console is day, that's mean if is day value has true, then write good morning. Let's see, we can see now here is good morning. After that, write another variable, let is night false, console good is good night and that's mean in case is night has true value, then write here good night. We can see false result because this value not meet. After that, we can see it's equivalent to this condition. If is j equal to true, then show this result. We can write this way too. Let's see, I change this value with true. Now we expected, we can see good night message here. Let's make some more changes. For example, I change 0 and see the result 0. If I write here 1, we receive true. Let's write here some string a. We can see the result is the same. If I write here 0, then we can see here 0. If I write here 1, we can expect it message back. If I write here null, then we expect it null value. That means if I write any string or numeric, it's considered true. 0 considered false. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, goodbye.